Hello everyone. Welcome to Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Student, today we are going to learn Standard 4th Subject EVS Lesson number 8 Value of Food Video number 15. Student, we eat different foods throughout the day as like in breakfast, in lunch and in dinner. From where are they obtained? Wheat, rice, jowar, pulses, sugarcane we get from fields. Karmandas, boar, jamuns, honey we get from forest. Fish and salt we get from seawater. Fish, shingadas that is a water chestnuts, makhanas that is a lotus seeds we get from fresh water. Fruits and vegetables we get from plants. Meat and eggs we get from animals. Sometimes people don't finish the food on their plate. They take more than they need and they just leave the food like that. All that food goes into the trash can. So when we have parties, make sure you don't waste food. Many people do not have money for food. All over the world, many people die because they do not get enough food to eat. These children and other poor people have to beg for food. Do you know that a lot of people in India don't have food to eat? So student, why should we waste any good thing? We should not waste any food. And let me tell you the story of a bhakri. Stages of farming: plugging, harrowing, sowing, harvesting, threshing, and winnowing. At the end of the summer, fields are made ready for farming. A number of implements are attached to the tractors to carry out these tasks. The field is plugged, lumps of the soil are crushed, and finally the field is leveled to make it ready for sowing. The pre-monsoon showers would make the hot soil humid. When the soil becomes hot and humid, the crop is sown. After few days, the seeds sprout and the seedlings are seen above the ground. The laborers have to pay to remove the weeds from the field, and the grains form and ears grown fuller. That time birds come in flocks to eat the tender grains. That's why the scarecrows have to be set up and slingshots used to frighten the birds away. When the ears of corn or grains are full, it is the harvest time. And that is all the ears of bajra grain or jawar grain must be cut and gathered. Then follows the threshing, the process in which the grain is separated from the ears of grain is called threshing. Machines or bullocks are used for threshing. If machine is not available, bullocks do the threshing. A round space is cleared in the field and the threshing floor is prepared. A post is erected at its center and a bullock is tied to it. The bullock walks in circles around the post. The harvested ears are spread in the round space so that they get trampled upon by the bullock. If the crop is large in quantity, a bigger place is prepared and more bullocks are used together. Threshing may go on for several days. For the bullocks too, this is a heavy work. The machines helps to finish the work quickly, but labors and the expense have to be put in any case. Winnowing. While winnowing too, the draught of air is used to separate the grain from the chaff. The process in which shells and chaff is carried away from the grain is called winnowing. The chaff and other rubbish gets blown off. The grain is transported to all parts of country by using various means of transport. Bullock carts, tractors, trucks, good trains, etc. are used to transport the grain. Traders buy the grains from the farmers. Traders sell the grain to the provisional storekeepers. People buy the grains from the shopkeepers. Then stones or rubbish is sorted out to clean the grains. Then crops are milled into flour. Then, while cooking, the flour is kneaded into lumps. The lumps are then flattened into a bhakri and then roasted. We spend on fuel too. As like this, today we have learned the story of bhakri. Do understand the concepts and revise at home. Thank you.